Hello friends, in this video I'll explain complete steps to create a class and start online meeting through Google Meet. First of all, you have to download Google Classroom app from Play Store. It's a small sized app of 10 to 12 MB only. Once you downloaded the app, you have to select your Gmail account through which you want to log in. But you cannot log in with your other email ID. It should be Gmail only. Here I have logged in with my G Suite email ID. So once you log in, you will land on a page like this, and on the top right corner beside three dots you will find plus sign. Click on plus sign and you will get two options: join class or create class. So as a teacher you have to create class, so click on create class. Once you click on this, you have to fill information about the class. So first of all, the class name, section, room, subject, these are the details required. So first give name to the class. Say I'm giving Google Classroom as a name of this class. Then go to section. Section you can leave it blank. Then move on to room. Room you can keep it as virtual classroom, and in subject line you can write whatever subject you are teaching. So I'm writing here Google Classroom workshop. So once you finish these details, you can click on create on the top right corner. So I clicked on create. So the class is getting created. So you can see my class is ready now, and in this class you can find three options at the bottom. Stream, so we are on the stream page only. Second one is classwork, so I have to add the classwork here, and in people, teacher, co-teachers can be added, student can be added here. You can click here on this plus sign. So you just type the email ID and send invitation. So with this you can send invitation to students, and below it you can see this is the class code which is generated. So this class code you can share with the students on WhatsApp. Then the most important thing is the setting. So first I'll go to this cogwheel is there beside three dots. Click on this and I have to change some settings. You can see this is class code, then meeting link. There is no meeting link here. So I have to, once I click this, a meeting link for online class will be generated. This is the inbuilt feature with the G Suite Gmail account. If you log in with your G Suite Gmail account in the Google Classroom, this Google Meet is inbuilt. Then this student can post and comment. This setting, it is better to change it to student can only comment, or only teachers can post and comment. Whichever you like, you can select. I am selecting this second one, student can only comment. And in the class work on the stream, this also you have to change. There are three options: show attachments and details, show condensed notification, hide notification. So I'm clicking on the first one, show attachments and details. Once I click this, all my attachments and details will be reflected in the stream page itself. So I'm now saving the details, and after that on the top left corner there are three horizontal lines. Click on this horizontal line and scroll it down. You will find setting. Click on this setting, and here you can see sync over mobile data. Don't sync it. Send email notification. This can be disabled. Then class notifications. Click on this, and you can see this Google Classroom I have created just now, and it is enabled. I have to disable it. I have disabled, so that unnecessary you will not get so many notifications from the students. So and so students join the class and so on. So this is an important setting which you must do it before starting the class. Then go back again. Now I'll tell you how to start online class from Google Classroom itself, where you will find that Google Meet icon in the Google Classroom. So we'll go again to setting, and in setting I need to generate the second option, video meeting link. It is none. I have to click on three dots, and here it is, generate meeting link. Click on this. So meeting link is created. I can make it invisible also to the student. If you make it invisible, it will not be visible to a student. So I want to demonstrate it, that how you can start. So I'll make it visible to a student and save the setting. Now you can see on the top right corner beside this setting icon, there is this video camera icon is there. So you have to simply click on this video camera icon, and this will take you to the Google Meet. See, now this, I'll switch off the camera. For now I can switch off the audio also, and you click on join meeting. Once you click on this, your meeting will be on, and you can share this meeting code also with the student, and just copy it. You can copy this code and you can share with the student. And by the way, the students can see, once you enable this Google Meet, the student can see the code. And so this is how you can start online class. I'm not starting now, so we will go back in the class, and this same icon will be visible to students as well. So you can inform here only in this Google Classroom. There will be an online class at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and you can click here. So there will be an online class at 10 a.m. tomorrow. This message is sent to the class, so students see it and will can join by clicking on this icon, video camera icon itself. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.